This TikTok account made $16,000 in sales in the past 1 week from just one product using the TikTok Shop affiliate program. How the hell is that even possible? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how they did it. TikTok is literally breaking the algorithm in 2024, and for sure, it's the most profitable business you can start now. So today, I'm going to show you a brand new way to earn thousands of dollars every month with the TikTok Shop affiliate program. And to be honest, I have never seen anything like this. Now, for you to understand what this is all about, basically they are selling these gummies which help you to maximize your sleep using the TikTok Shop affiliate, which means every time someone clicked the video and made a purchase, this account earned a commission on this. Now, with a commission of 38%, this account generated almost $6,000 with just one product. What's even more amazing is that the whole thing was done with AI, and I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. But before I explain how you can find a winning product, I want to go out of this boring room and change myself into something better and more professional. So to find a winning product, let's head over to this website called Shoplus. This tool is only designed for TikTok Shop affiliates, and it helps you to find trending niches, hot-selling products, top influencers, and much more. The options are endless. As you can see, the product I selected made $16,000 in revenue in the last 1 week, but the question is how you can find viral products like this and start selling them on TikTok. It's easy. First, head back to Shoplus, and there you need to change the country settings from here to see relevant data of your target audience. Then from here, you can also view the top-selling shops. This information would help you choose your niche properly. Now, if you want to check out the fast-growing products, click on this tab to see all the available options. Here you will find tons of growing products and how much they have generated through TikTok Shop. Next, you want to click on the drop-down option in category and select the health option. This way you will find a lot of options for the supplements which are selling madly right now. If you look at the third option right here, you can clearly see that this product generated $200,000 in sales in just 1 week. If we go into the top sales options right here and scroll down a bit, you can clearly see that these creators are generating a ton of money selling in the health category. Right now, Shoplus provides a free trial to everyone, so visit shoplus.net on PC to get this offer. So now we have our product ready, it's time to create a video. To create a viral video, first you need to find a good video idea, then a script, voiceover, editing, and sound effects. So, to write a script, simply go to ChatGPT and prompt it with something like this. First, ask the chatbot to create a script for your TikTok video about your chosen product. Make sure to tell the chatbot the main purpose of the product and its components. In my case, I have already completed my research by completely going through the product website. To be more specific, instruct the chatbot to explain the benefits of the product and also tell the chatbot the script should be under 60 seconds. As you can see, the chatbot gave us an outstanding result. And to be honest, I was particularly impressed with the hook.
If you're fine with sleepless nights, you can scroll this video, but if you want a good sleep and wake up refreshed, check out Lullabites.
So once the script is generated, we need to change the script into stunning visuals. For that, manually break the script into separate lines and treat each line as a distinct scene, and for each scene we need a separate visual. For example, the first line mainly talks about the sleepless nights, so a compelling prompt could be, a woman lying awake in bed, eyes open, staring at the sidewall. There are shadows of a restless night, and the scene feels tense, evoking frustration from sleeplessness. The next scene talks about waking up refreshed in the morning, so an image of lady waking up in bed with a big smile, stretching energetically, which clearly shows she had plenty of good sleep. And just like that, you can visualize the whole script manually, just like I showed you earlier. Now, it's time to generate images. Normally, I use Leonardo AI for my generations, but for this video, let's go with Midjourney. Here are some of the prompts I used for the generation of the images. An ultra-high image of a young lady waking up, refreshed in a bed with a big smile on her face, which clearly shows she had plenty of good sleep. Sunlight floods through the window and the atmosphere feels fresh and vibrant. An ultra-high image of a girl lying awake in bed, eyes open, camera view from side. There are dark circles around her eyes because of a restless night. The scene feels tense, evoking frustration from sleeplessness. An ultra-high image of a valerian root, showing its rough, knotted texture with some dirt still on it. Surround the roots with green, feathery valerian leaves. The image should highlight the plant's natural, soothing qualities. So up till now, you should have all the required visuals for each scene ready to go. Now for the voiceover, let's head over to 11 Labs. Go to the Voices drop-down and choose anyone you like. For this video, I would be choosing Adam's voice. After that, paste your script into the box and hit Generate. When your voiceover is ready, simply click on this little button here to download it. So till now, you should have everything ready. A powerful script, compelling visuals for each scene,
And an engaging voiceover like this one.
Now for the video editing part, we would be bringing in all the assets together. We would be using CapCut, a free editing software. Just sign up for a free account and you are good to go. Once you are in, simply import all the assets into CapCut. After that, bring the voiceover into the timeline and then bring in all the Midjourney images and add them to the timeline, making sure that each image aligns perfectly with its corresponding line, like this. Continue this process for each image, and by now, your video should be coming together smoothly. Make sure to add the reels of your selected product into the video so that it perfectly represents your sale pitch. Now, to make your video more engaging, we will be adding some animations. Simply highlight the clip, click on Animations on the right, and I usually go with a combo animation like this one. Apply it and ensure it covers the entire clip. Apply this process to the remaining clips, and your video will start coming together beautifully. To add a 3D effect to your images, go to the Effects tab, scroll down to the Motion section, and apply the effect to your image. This technique will significantly boost the quality of your video. Now there is one last step that needs to be done. Captions. To generate them, simply click on Text, Auto Captions, and then click Generate. As you can see, the auto captions are generated. After they are generated successfully, select all the captions and adjust their font name, style, and color as you like. As you can see, the style of captions is far more better. To improve the readability of your captions, break them into separate lines. To do this, go to the Caption section, click where you want to insert a line break, and press Enter. Repeat this process for all captions until they are properly formatted. Now after that, simply drop in the background music and make sure to lower its volume so that the viewer is totally engaged. Now the video is completed, let us all see how it turned out.
If you're fine with sleepless nights, you can scroll this video. But if you want a good sleep and want to wake up refreshed, check out Lullabites. These sleep gummies are packed with magnesium to maximize your sleep, valerian root to reduce your anxiety, L-theanine to melt away stress, and 5-HTP to boost serotonin levels. Thus, you'll sleep quickly and wake up refreshed every morning. Click on the link below and grab your gummies now and start enjoying the best sleep of your life.
This is honestly much greater than I thought, and the good thing is, every step in the process was done for totally free. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe.